This summer, the heat is turned up to maximum intensity, but the fervor surrounding the Paris Olympics feels somewhat lukewarm from Jamaica's standpoint, with gold medals proving hard to come by, just one to our name so far. Nonetheless, a huge shout out is in order for all the athletes whose performance is beyond what most can achieve, thanks to their relentless training and dedication to mastering their disciplines. However, the focus of this discussion is the thriving construction industry across Jamaica, observed in the rising number of both residential and commercial structures. A prime example is the ongoing Morant Bay Urban Center project, promising to be a significant addition to St. Thomas's capital once it is completed. The Jamaican construction sector is experiencing a boom evidenced by the shortage of certain building and home improvement supplies, including high quality tiles, jacuzzis, glass blocks, and faucets, just to name a few. Interestingly, their less attractive counterparts seem to be readily available. To ensure you get the best value for money in constructing a building in Jamaica, consider the following tips. Plan thoroughly. Before starting your construction project, it is crucial to have a clear plan. This includes detailed architectural designs, an elaborate budget, and a timeline. A comprehensive plan helps in avoiding costly adjustments and delays during construction. Choose the right materials. Due to Jamaica's tropical climate and the risk of natural disasters like hurricanes and earthquakes, it is important to select durable and resilient construction materials. Additionally, consider using locally sourced materials to reduce costs and support the local economy. Hire qualified professionals. Invest in experienced and reputable architects, engineers, and contractors. Skilled professionals not only ensure the quality of the construction, but can also provide valuable advice on cost-saving measures without compromising on safety and durability. Compliance with building codes. Adhering to Jamaica's building codes and regulations is non-negotiable. These codes are designed to ensure the safety and resilience of buildings. Compliance will also avoid legal issues and additional costs in the future. Energy efficiency. Incorporate energy efficient designs and technologies to reduce long-term running costs. This can include solar panels, energy efficient windows, and natural ventilation systems. Jamaica's sunny climate makes it ideal for solar energy utilization. Regular inspections and quality control. Conduct frequent inspections at different stages of the construction process to ensure that everything is going according to plan and the materials used are of good quality. This can prevent costly repairs and alterations in the future. Effective project management. Good project management is key to staying within budget and on schedule. This includes effective coordination among the different professionals involved in the construction, timely procurement of materials, and efficient handling of unforeseen challenges, because they will certainly arise. Budget management, very, very critical. Keep a close eye on your budget without compromising on the quality. It's advisable to allocate a contingency fund, usually 10 to 20% of the total budget, to cover unexpected expenses. Embrace a local architecture. Incorporating elements of local architecture not only makes the building aesthetically pleasing, but can also make it more suitable for the local environment. For example, designs that allow for cross ventilation can help in keeping buildings cool. Because if you do not reside in the more mountainous section of the island where it is cooler, I am sure you are suffering from the intense heat, especially during the afternoons and evenings. Sustainability practices. Consider implementing sustainable construction practices that minimize environmental impact. This could include the use of recycled materials, rainwater harvesting systems, and the preservation of existing natural landscapes around the construction site. Remember that when hiring individuals or contractors for your construction project, it is very important to be cautious. Ask plenty of questions to ensure transparency and understanding. Do thorough research on construction practices and norms related to your project, just to try and get as much information as you can. Verify material cost to get the best value for your investment. Spend the time to shop around. Do not be surprised if the contractor you hire decides to deviate from the original plan to accommodate their personal schedules, or even try to increase the cost midway through the project because they used up all of the deposit you had to pay them upfront and they are flat broke after a week into the project. Be prepared for the possibility that the skilled worker you hire might start the project and then hand it off to a less experienced colleague for completion, placing your project in jeopardy and maybe forcing you to try and find another contractor. Following these tips can not only ensure that you get value for your money in your construction project in Jamaica, but also contribute to the long-term sustainability and resilience of your building. Those are the tips for today. Feel free to share your thoughts and comments below. Add it to the list so that others can learn and benefit. I look forward to the dismantling of these zinc barriers, as this redevelopment will significantly alter the landscape, ushering in a lively and engaging atmosphere for Morant Bay.